Hello, this is Marc Cain with LePageJohnson Realty and EXP. Today with us we have Joe.Ricci with Liberty Mutual.
How you doing, guys?
Joe, let's get started with a few light questions. How long have you been in this business?
I'm going on, this is about my 15th year in the business.
Wow.
Yeah, so a long time. I've seen a lot of things.
I'd say so. Now, being in a business that long, you've got to have more than just, it's not just a job. Why do you do what you do?
Well, we all have to work, right? Most of us do.
Yep.
You know, and I'm in one of those professions that I get to be and help people. I get to see people at their happiest times of life, when they're getting married, buying a new home,
Right.
having a baby, buying a new car, and then I get to be with them when they're at their worst. And you know, and that's when something happens, you know, a house fire, car accident, and unfortunately, when you're in this business as long as I am, you see death, and you have to help, you know, people through that. So I'm very lucky in that, and that's just one of the main things, that the reasons why I like what I do.
Yeah.
So.
Well, yeah, the helping people. I mean, you're going to have the highs and the lows and things like that, but you can be there to help your clients through
Always.
those lows. It's terrific. Have someone, especially with the experience that you have, going through a lot of those those things. Tell me about a recent experience that you've had.
Well, the most recent probably claim experience I've had, because you know, clients in our business, they have so many choices, right? There's so much competition, and there a lot of them are looking at price and things like that.
Right.
But the veterans that are in this business, that have been here for a long time, it's about the service.
Right.
I mean, you want to give your clients the best of service, and when they need you the most, it's when something's happened. And I'll just, like a few weeks ago, I was in Charleston for my anniversary, and one of my clients had just bought a new home in South Carolina, called me at 11 o'clock and told me she was out of town and her husband was home, and said, a tree fell on my house, there's water pouring through, what do I do? And obviously I'm like, I got this taken care of. I always try to have experts that I can call, especially for homes. You know, if it's a fire, flood, anything like that, I want to make sure somebody gets to the home. So I was able to call a restoration company. They were out there in about 45 minutes.
Whoa.
It's out there in South Carolina.
Yeah.
And they were able to get the tree down, tarp the hole, and get the people out of the house and into a, you know, they're in a hotel, and that claim's still processing. There's a lot of things that have to happen when you have we have to get all the water out, patch the roof, rebuild it basically.
Wow.
But it's that kind of service that you get with you know, in a personal agent, and you can't call an 800 number and get that. So all my clients have my cell phone, and that's what I love to do, is when I can shine when something happens.
Yeah. Well, terrific. The one of the main reasons we even do these videos is because there's so many people moving to the greater Charlotte metro area. I mean, I think the last statistic I saw, 105 people per day are moving to this area, in the Charlotte metro area.
Wow.
It is incredible growth here, and a lot of these people are coming from out of town, out of state, and they move here. They don't know many people. They don't know who to go to, and there's so many things out there. And of course, your company, Liberty Mutual, is well known.
Absolutely.
But finding the right agent within that company is sometimes a bit of a challenge. So doing these videos, let people see you in person, get to know a little bit more about you, will help them as they move and transfer into this area. So certainly appreciate you being here.
Thank you very much.
And
I appreciate you.
Appreciate everything, and we will talk to you soon.
All right. Thanks, Mark.
All right.